New to camping? Try these useful tips. Camping is a great way to spend time alone or with a large group. Being in nature can be a very soothing and relaxing experience, and camping can offer that. If you are looking for tips on how to make your next trip a relaxing one, this video can help. When packing for your camping trip, do not forget chairs and a radio. One of the best parts of camping is sitting around the campfire. You could sit on an old log, but why bother when you can pack chairs and be comfortable? The radio is for entertainment sitting around the fire. An even better idea is to bring your guitar for a sing-along. If you are going on a camping adventure, make sure you have enough time to set up camp before dark. It can be extremely difficult to set up camp in the dark and possibly unsafe. You need to be able to scout the terrain, prepare bedding, and possibly build some temporary shelter prior to the sun going down. It is important to keep in mind the fact that your person and all of your possessions will get dirty during a camping trip. While baby wipes can be used to help for some level of cleanliness, expect that people will get dirty. Be ready for it and accept it. Enjoy your time and don't afraid to be messy. You can get back to normal after returning home. Try out your tent before going camping by testing it out at home. This will ensure that your tent is not missing pieces and that you understand how to set up your tent correctly. That can also cut down on the frustration some feel when setting a tent up for the first time. Make sure that you avoid any venomous plants. A good way to do this is to stop at the ranger station and ask what kinds of poisonous plants are in the area so you can identify them if you come into contact with them on the trail. Never eat anything while hiking on the trail if you do not know it is edible. You can make camping a fun and relaxing way to spend some time out in nature and enjoy all that it has to offer. Use the helpful tips shared in this video and you will have the time of your life next time you go on a camping adventure. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.